In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a refund, pick the best return method, and understand how long it may take for your money to come back. Start by signing into your Amazon account. On the homepage, hover over or tap Accounts and Lists, then choose your orders. This is where every past purchase lives, and it's the central place to start a return or refund. If you have multiple accounts or addresses, double check you're signed into the one that actually placed the order. Find the item you want refunded in your order history. Next to that order, click Return or Replace Items. If you don't see that option, the item might be outside the return window or may have special policies, especially if it came from a third-party seller. In that case, look for details on the order page. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for the return. Pick the option that best describes your situation, like item damaged, wrong item, or no longer needed. Then select whether you want a refund or a replacement. If the product arrived defective or incorrect, Amazon typically covers return shipping, so be as accurate as possible when describing the issue. Now choose how you want to return the item. You'll see options such as drop off at a nearby location, a scheduled pickup, or printing a return label to ship it back yourself. Pick what's most convenient, review the instructions on the screen, and confirm the return. Some locations allow a box-free or label-free drop-off, while other methods require you to print and attach a label. Prepare the item for return. Pack it securely so it doesn't get damaged in transit. Include all accessories and manuals and use the original packaging if you still have it. Attach the provided return label if required, then drop it off or hand it to the courier according to the method you selected. It's a good idea to keep the receipt or tracking confirmation until your refund is processed. Once Amazon receives the item, they'll process your refund. Timing depends on your payment method. Refunds to an Amazon gift balance usually take 3 to 5 business days. Credit or debit card refunds typically take 5 to 10 business days. In some cases, it can take up to 14 days, depending on your bank's processing time. You'll get email updates as your return moves along. Remember, most items are eligible for return within 30 days of delivery, though digital purchases and some third-party items may have different policies. Shipping fees aren't always refunded unless the item was defective or incorrect. Always review the return policy shown on the product or order page before you begin.